Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Amazon speaker from your Amazon account. Okay, so first of all we have to be connected with the Amazon application on our phone. Then simply go for the devices tab, go for the Echo and Alexa, select speaker that you want to remove, and next you have to hit the settings icon. Right now we have to scroll down all the way down and use this option right here, read, and then tap here. And right now when you
removing your smart home devices and resetting your device, this will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Yeah, as you can hear, there was also the voice notification that we successfully remove our device from our phone, and it also will perform the hard reset. So that's all. Right now we just have to wait around 1 minute and listen to the next voice notifications, and that's how you can remove this device from your Amazon account. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.